Walking through the garden, what will we see? Walking through the garden, come and learn with me. Hi, my name is Miss Maz and I live in Australia. Let's do some outdoor learning. What can you smell? What can you see? I see and smell a mango close to me. Mangoes are a fruit. And look, they grow on trees. What colours can you see on the mango? It's got different colours. Here is some green, and it's changing colour to be this golden yellow. Once it's got more golden yellow, we know it's ripe and ready to eat. What can you smell? What can you see? I see many mini mangoes growing on this tree. There's mini mangoes that grew from these flowers, and they're going to get bigger and bigger and more golden. Look at the many mini mangoes. They started as the flower, and then they were pollinated by insects, and now they're growing into a bigger golden mango that we can then eat. How many mini mangoes can you see? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mini mangoes. Let's hear all the sounds in the word mango. Say it slowly. Mango. Could you hear that first sound? Yes! I wonder which letter makes a sound. That's right! It's the letter M. M can make a sound. M for mango. Can you hear all the sounds in the word mango? Let's clap the syllables. Syllables are like the beats in a word. Mango. Can you clap it with me? How many was that? 2. That's right. 2 syllables in the word mango. Look at the mangoes. See their small size and their colour? What colour are they at the moment? That's right, they are green at the moment, but they are going to grow bigger and change colour. How many mangoes can you see? Can you count with Cisco and me? Let's count the mangoes. We've got 1. Where's the rest, Cisco? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you show me 8 with your fingers? Yes, 8 can look like this, or like this, or like this. 8 mangoes in the tree, and Cisco's run away from me. Cisco is going to help us make a mango smoothie. You'll need mango, some honey, some milk, any type of milk is fine, and a blender. Remember, because we're cooking, you need to wash your hands and you will need an adult's help because we're using a blender which has a sharp blade and you might need to do some cutting with a knife. Ready, Cisco? We've got our mango and an adult can help you slice away one of the cheeks and you want to avoid the pit in the middle.
then you've got this beautiful flesh. I cut some up earlier. We're going to put it inside the blender. We're going to add our milk. A little bit of honey. You might also like to add some ice or maybe some yogurt. Make sure the lid is on your blender. The blender has finished blending. Now we can open our smoothie. Cisco's excited. What's this? And there we have it. Our mango smoothie. Yum.
Let's sing a song about mangoes. Mangoes, mangoes, golden yellow. Mangoes, mangoes, they grow on trees. Mangoes are a fruit and they grow on trees. The flowers attract insects such as moths and flies. These insects help them pollinate so the flower turns to fruit. The fruit starts small and as it grows, the golden color begins to glow. Mangoes, mangoes, golden yellow. Mangoes, mangoes, they grow on trees. Mangoes are a fruit, a sweet and tasty treat. Mix them up in smoothies, they are so yummy to eat. Mangoes, mangoes, golden yellow. Mangoes, mangoes, they grow on trees. Mangoes are a fruit, inside they have a pip. You have to eat around it, they can be juicy, catch the drips. Mangoes, mangoes, golden yellow. Mangoes, mangoes, they grow on trees. Mangoes, mangoes, very yummy. Mangoes, mangoes, good for you and me. Mangoes, mangoes, good for you and me. Thanks for walking through the garden with me. I wonder next time what we might see, what we might hear. The mangoes and I would like to say goodbye, but we'll see you next time for some more outdoor learning. Can you hear that sound? And I can see one. It's got 2 legs, some feathers, and it lays eggs. I wonder what that could be. You can find out by watching the next Miss Maz episode.